Hello, my name is Abri, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to navigate our extensive teacher resources. With thousands of options for lesson plans, activities, and templates, the choice can be overwhelming. So we've divided our teacher resources into categories based on what it is you're looking for. If you're short on time and looking for a lesson plan with accompanying activities for your students, go ahead and click on Lesson Plans and Activities. Here, you'll see featured lessons, and right above that, categories based on subject and grade level. I'm going to choose Social Studies. You'll see categories here that you can scroll through, and then you can choose the exact subject you'd like to teach. I'm going to choose Ancient Rome. You'll see that we've included essential questions for a potential lesson, as well as an explanation of the lesson itself. Above that, there are student activities that you can view, and then copy and share with your students as an assignment. The next category in our teacher resources is Teacher Templates. I'm looking for a worksheet, so I'm going to click on Worksheet Templates. Here you can browse through broad categories or pick a more specific topic that you're looking for. For example, exponents. You can choose to copy a template, which will take you to the Storyboard creator where you can make adjustments as needed. We also have informational articles. These articles will show you how you can use Storyboard that to create storyboards for different subjects. For example, let's click on General, and then Infographics in the Classroom. This article shows different examples of ways you can use infographics as a supporter for your lesson plans and assignments. And lastly, if you know exactly what it is you'd like to teach, you can search for it in the search bar. Let's try the Odyssey. Activities and lesson plans related to the Odyssey will now pop up, which I can then use as I please. That's all for our teacher resources. Be sure to take a look through all the thousands of options and apply what is right for you to your class. Thanks for watching and happy storyboarding.